we have designed multiple templates. For example, we have a class of 12, a class of 20, a class of 24. We've also gone through the review steps to make sure that our data is accurate and we get as many students and staff members as possible in our yearbook. Well, now it's time to create. Let's click on Create and Create Slides. Let's do our pre-K and TK classes. Just like in design, we're going to have to change the size. File, Page Setup, (8.5) by 11, Apply, Verify, and Continue. This was for our pre-K and TK. So we're going to select our 11 students and 1 teacher that we created earlier. Use template and continue. Now, I'm going to deselect and I'm going to select only the classes I want to apply. Of course, I could use the same template for all of my classes. That's absolutely okay. If I take a quick peek to the side and change to grid view, I can see the beauty of Slides Create in action. This may take a while. Perfect time for coffee. Now, one reason you run a draft is to see if there are any mistakes. So open these up and verify. Are there any mistakes? Oh, yes, my teacher. Now I can go back and fix it. Slides Create is part of the MEC 16 Slides Yearbook Google Innovator Project. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and thank you for being a part of this project.